Hey guys, it's Math and Vision here, and today we'll be talking about distributive property. And so let's get into it. So distributive property, let me write it down here, distributive property. Alright, so distributive property is basically what you have to do before PEMDAS. Alright, so like, PEMDAS, we went over it in the last video where you have to do parentheses first, right? So if I were to solve this equation with PEMDAS, right? I'll do 3 plus 6 first because it's in parentheses, so that's 9, and then multiply by 7, that's 63, right? I'll do that, but no. We have to use this thing called distributive property because we have this digit right here outside of the parentheses. We have to distribute it inside the parentheses to each number. Alright, so 7 goes with 3, and then 7 also goes with 6. So we do 7 and 3, so that's 7 times 3, alright, plus 7 times 6. Alright, so 21 plus 42, and that is 63. Alright, so 63 is your answer. Alright, I want you guys to try this one on your own. 8 parentheses 7 plus 6. I want you guys to use the distributive property. So pause this video and try it on your own. Alright, I hope you guys tried that on your own. Let's do this. So 8 times 7, 8 times 7, and do 8 times 6. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 8 times 6, which is 48, that equals 104. Alright, so 104 is your answer. Alright, let's do this one. This one's a little bit more complicated because now we have to solve for x. Alright, we didn't really go over this on our channel, but we'll get to it later. Linear equations, solving for x, slopes, and etc. But I'll just give you guys a brief overview. Alright, so the same thing applies. Distribute the 5 over here, distribute the 5 over here. So 5 and 2, that's 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 10x. Alright, we keep the x is the variable, plus 5 times 6, that is 30, right, equals 26. Alright, so you do, and then to solve for x, what you gotta do is you gotta isolate it. Alright, isolate it. You have to get it by itself. I think you guys heard that before. Alright, so to get this x by itself, alright, you have to subtract this 30 here. Alright, minus 30. And then you have to do it on both sides. You do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So minus 30, minus 30. Alright, this one cancels out, and all you left was 10x. Alright, the x is isolated. Alright, and all you left with 26 minus 30, which is negative 4. Alright, and then you to get the x by itself, x is being multiplied with 10. So what's the opposite of multiplying? That's dividing. So we do divide by 10, divide by 10. So x equals negative 4 tenths. Alright, you could simplify it, but it's the same thing. Alright, so let's do another one. Alright, let's do this one. This one is very, very difficult, but it doesn't have to be. Alright, take it step by step. Alright, the first thing to do, distribute. Alright, 6 goes over here. So 6 and x, that's 6x. 6 and 4, that's negative 24. Alright, plus 3 and 2, distribute 3 times 2, that's 6. Don't forget the x. Plus 3 times 7, that's 21. Well, that equals 69. Alright, now all you gotta do is combine like terms. Alright, so you have 6 over here and 6 over here. Alright, we didn't go over this, but I'm just giving you guys a brief overview of what's to come. So 6 and 6, 6 plus 6, that's 12x. Alright, then you have 24 and 21, negative 24 plus 21, write that down here, minus 24 plus 21, oops, equals 69. So negative 24 plus 21 is a negative 3, 12x minus 3 equals 69. And then to isolate this x, this is a minus 3, so we add 3 to both sides, plus 3. Alright, I'm going to bring this over here. 12x equals 69 plus 3, that's 72. And you divide 12 by both sides. Now x is now equal to 6. Alright, so that's your answer. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.